Hi, I'm Ntabi Taukubong from Decor Interiors. My style is luxurious yet functional. When it comes to creating a sanctuary at home, Builders has just what you need. When you are missing a pamper session or two at a spa, why not turn your bathroom into your very own safe and dreamy sanctuary just for you? At Builders, there are towels that will transport you to your tropical getaway, far away in Bali, Morocco, or on a beautiful sandy beach in the Maldives. With boards and samples to show you what accessories can be mixed with your selection, everything has been thought out for you. All you have to do is select your personal preference and use the mood boards to guide your selection. What I'm really loving is the Jungle Leaf wall tile collection, mixed with the pebble shower floor tiles, or also used on a raised bath floor. I love the wooden floor tiles' look and feel and how elements of nature can be pulled in with finishes to create an indoor-outdoor feel. The soft edges of the baths and basins bring a sense of immediate relaxation to one's soul. And adding some slick, modern taps finishes off the interior beautifully. The bamboo pendants over a bathroom vanity would send me off into paradise mode. And with a few plants positioned over your bath wall, you'll be soaking and breathing in nature all day, every day. A good and trusted Luso shower head has some great added benefits. The 5-setting chic shower rose certainly has my attention. Builders has the most variation of styles to suit all budgets. Every item for your bathroom sanctuary escape has been carefully considered and selected, such as vanity units, slipper bars, mirrors, and more. For more great decor tips and trends, go to the Builders blog and get inspired.